Welcome to Infinity with VJ. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the key points related to the chapter surface areas and volumes. Let us discuss some of the formula, total surface area and lateral surface area and volume of the sum of the objects. Okay, so let us start. Surface area of a cuboid. So cuboid means, let us draw a cuboid here. We'll draw like this. Okay. Of length L and breadth B and height will be H. Okay. If length is L and breadth is B and height of the cuboid is H, then what will be the total surface area? Total this outer surface of this cuboid is nothing but 2 of LB, length into breadth, plus breadth into height, plus height into length. Correct? See here, this, all this surface area is how much? We will use this to find the total surface area, simply TSA. To find the cuboid, total TSA of cuboid, we will use this formula. Next, lateral surface area, LSA or CSA, means curved surface area of the cuboid is nothing but 2H into L plus B. First we will add length and breadth and we will multiply by height, and 2 times we will do that. We will get the lateral surface area. See here, we will add this length and breadth first and 2 times of h, height. Next, the volume of cuboid is nothing but length into breadth into height is the formula to find the volume of a cuboid. Next, the surface area of a cone. For example, this is a cone, given cone of a object. For example, ice cream, cone ice cream, which is the shape of a cone, then of radius, of this radius r, and this side, okay, we will take it as L, okay, and height means this position is height, H. What will be the total surface area is nothing but pi r into r plus L, r plus L. Next, the curved surface area CSA is equal to pi r L. I think you have discussed this all formulas in your previous class in 9th standard. We will just look into the formula here. Next, the volume of the cone is nothing but 1 by 3 into pi r square h. H is the height here. Next is the surface area of a cylinder. Cylinder, let us take, this is a cylinder of radius r and height h. Then what is the formula? So total TSA is nothing but is equal to 2 pi r. Correct? So here 2 circumference 2 pi r. Next is r plus h. The curved surface area means only these two positions, that is 2 pi r h. We will take this, consider the height also. The volume of a cylinder means what? We will include the inside, correct? So what it will become? Total area also. So pi r square h. Next is the surface area of a sphere. So this is circle. Let us take of this shape. Okay, so sphere. Let us consider as a sphere. Then of radius r. Okay, the radius of a given sphere is r. Then what is the total surface area? That is nothing but 4 pi r square. Okay, but here there is no, we can say it as lateral surface area because there is only one surface is present. So there is no lateral or CSA present. Next is volume of a sphere is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. We will use this formula to find the volume of a sphere. Next, the surface area of a hemisphere, half sphere. That is, let us take the radius of a half sphere, that is r. TSA. TSA means here 3 pi r square. Here the curved surface is present. Correct. There is not only one surface. Correct. Here curved surface also present. So we will use the formula for curved surface, that is 2 pi r square, and volume of a hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. I hope you understood this key points, formulas. You should remember this for your exams. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you for watching.